Hi guys, today I'll be spawning blood chicken. First we need to go to servers. You know it's taking long as ages. My god. Okay, create game, the free mode, blood chicken, mid 7. No, that's it. There's a blood chicken. No, meat chicken. I mean, you know, I'm pretty scared. You know, oh, meat chicken's gone. Okay, we need to spawn a mirror. I'm pretty scared. I need to wait for 5 minutes. Spawn a blood. I'm scared. I don't want to die. And wait for 5 minutes. Then you spawn a blood chicken. Okay, I'm not scared, afraid. The chicken gun fandom says don't be scared. Wait for 5 minutes. Wait, how did this meat chicken spawn? Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes. Sell it to China! Ah! Funny, right? Okay, let's spawn a baby chicken. I mean, oh, yay! Okay, funny. Wait, I need the. That's not more enough. Okay, let's get started. Where's the camera? Oh yeah, that said. Oh, the myth said, don't be scared. Wait for 5 minutes. So I just have a camera. Yeah, the mirror is flickering. I'm scared. Okay. Just wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, there's camera. Yeah. Yeah, the myth is fake. Okay. I'm spinning. La 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 la. Funny. Stop spinning. Okay, don't be scared. I've been waiting for 5 minutes and nothing happened. Really, bro? You seriously? Bro, it's actually fake. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye.